Every commissioner working for Nigeria government in Biafra territory have only 5 days to resign. Simon Ekpa. Welcome back to Barnabas J's, my people. If not today, na the first day wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are welcome. And no forget to follow us and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for a quick update as e dey hot. No forget to turn on your notification button so that you will be the first person wey go dey get our notification immediately as we do upload. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today. No be small thing o. They say Simon Ekpa don come out with another one. The PM, Prime Minister, Biafra government in exile. Simon Ekpa don come up. He say anybody wey be say e dey hawk something for checkpoint, especially army checkpoint, he say make you comot for that side though. Say because no be small kasala go burst for there, no be small thing. And he come outside again, come talk say all the whole commissioner wey dey for especially Southeast and Biafra territory, say make they carry their bag for head dey go, because as e don be now, they go come after all of them. No be small thing. Okay, we go play you the video, make you watch where Simon Ekpa talk everything. And after you finish watching this video, we'll come back and talk more about the details. Okay, stay tuned and watch the video.
The organization of the Nigeria government in Biafra territory will begin and start as follows. From tonight,
guys, pay attention to this particular place.
We don't want to see anybody hawking close to any military checkpoint. We want to inform every Biafran, those that engage in hawking, to stay very clear from any military, from any police, from any naval, or from any Air Force checkpoint anywhere in Biafra land. Those of you who have your families, your children that do hawking around checkpoint, from tonight must stop. Those who have been pioneering the attacks in Biafra land, we will begin to stop them from the top. What I have come to do this evening is to give this particular special press briefing, an announcement to the Biafra as to where we are going, what we are going to do, and how we are going to do it. From tonight, we give every commissioner in each state of Biafra land,
guys, pay
5
attention.
days grace to resign. Only commissioners. We are starting the delegitimization of Nigeria from the state government down to the lowest. And we are starting from the state commissioners, appointees, those appointed commissioners in each state. If you know that your state falls under Biafra, from tonight you have 5 days grace to distance yourself from anything in Nigeria. You can either resign or distance yourself from the particular illegitimate government in Biafra land, which we are delegitimization have started today. So every commissioner that has been appointed by the illegitimate government in Biafra land, your 5-day grace start from tonight. This 5 days grace will expire on the 1st of September. On the 1st of September, if we continue to parade yourself as any commissioner of whatsoever, and you are representing Nigeria, and you are a commissioner of anything in any state, you will be treated as an enemy of Biafra. I want everyone to understand that what we are doing now is for the good of everyone. including for the good of yourself and for the good of your children. The gradual transition from what you have now, as you call the government, to the de facto government of Biafra has begun. And those who have made themselves a willing tool by the caliphate, you will be treated just like the enemy of Biafra that you are. The ban on checkpoints in entire Biafra will be enforced starting any moment from now. And that is the reason every family, those who engage in hawking, especially those, our children who engage in hawking, you are hereby banned and prohibited from hawking around any checkpoint in entire Biafra land for your own safety. Also, those in Biafra land who always go to morning mass or morning prayer, early morning prayer, the days ahead are evil. We are calling that for the time being, you may reconsider, especially all the churches, you may reconsider organizing early morning prayer for anybody in Biafra land. For the time being, do not take this particular announcement for granted. The liberation of Biafra is taking a very different dimension that nobody has ever witnessed for the past 50 years. And it is the responsibility of the Biafra government to put every measure necessary to safeguard and protect Biafra people, both men, women, and children. And these are the measures that we are putting in place to make sure that our children and our citizens are safeguarded and protected. Those who will violate this particular measure, do not blame anyone for whatever Nigeria government may do to you. The morning masses or the morning prayers that the churches are normally conducted in Biafra land is prohibited for the time being. You have to follow the instruction and wait when we are going to lift it. What we are trying to do now is to make sure that the delegitimization of Nigeria government in Biafra land, the enforcement will start immediately. We are also aware that the chaotic and the terrorist Nigeria army and their collaborators have been defeated. But you know, you cannot say you have defeated them when you continue to see checkpoint, roadblocks, molesting our people, extorting money from them every day. That is not to say you have defeated them. But they know that the Biafra Liberation Army have defeated them. And gradually, we will continue to implement and have a transition of government. I also want to make it very clear this evening for the Biafra people residing along or around Iche and Ngokbala. Those areas has become very, very volatile area. And if you live around those areas in Che and Ngokbala, you have to always follow our security alarm as we are sealing those areas, making sure that the day the terrorists will move using that particular route, they will meet their end. The Biafra Liberation Army will be conducting a very powerful operation in those areas any moment from now, and we may not announce it next time. We have been able to give this information to the public, and because of the information we give to the public, the terrorist army refused to come. They continue to plan how to invade and burn our communities in Imo State, and because We are trying to inform the civilians in those areas, and for that reason, for the 2 times they plan to come and invade our land, they have refused to come. So next time, we may not be able to announce it, so that they will come and will meet their end on the road. So if you are in that area of Ngokpala and Iche, be very, very security conscious, as we may not be able to announce it next time, because for the 2nd time, they refuse to come. We may also consider not announcing when the military bombardment will come or when they will start. For example, today, the Nigeria Terrorist Army and Islamic Caliphate planned to bombard Imo State. And because we'll call the alerted our people to stay safe and be security conscious, they refuse to come. While the Biafra Liberation Army has prepared and was ready to combat them, we waited for nothing and they didn't come. So, and what we are noticing now is that each time we make this announcement, we are making it just so that no Biafra citizen will be hurt. And so every civilian must take cover and will be well prepared and take precaution. And because whenever this is announced, this terrorist army will not show up.
Okay, my people, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear what the Prime Minister and PM Biafra government in exile have said in this particular video. So guys, what do you think about what Simon Ekpa is saying? Do you totally agree of everything Simon Ekpa said? Please leave a comment and let me know what you think in this particular video. So I want everybody to contribute to this particular video. If you disagree, let us know. If you agree, also let us know. Do you think he's making it the right way of going by this way, in other way to asking all the commissioner in BiafraLand, which is working for Nigeria government, to resign, and also so anybody that engage in hawking in military checkpoints? You say your life is at risk over there. So what do you think, guys? Let's talk about this in a comment section. I want everybody to hop in comment section. Let's talk over there, guys. Okay, guys, now so we'll see more. Now we'll see more bring and come give you. Don't forget to subscribe to this wonderful channel and turn on your notification button. I will leave the YouTube link below for you to go there and subscribe. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned as we're uploading it. They come. No be small thing, no small story day today. Check out for the next video.